Welcome back, everyone. As you see, we are in the loft again. We're doing some more cleaning up here, balcony and organizing stuff. I'm gonna give you an RC tour. I don't think I've done this before, but I'm gonna give you guys an RC tour to show you all my models of RCs. So to start off with, I got an MT and an XT Red Cat Rampage, two monster trucks. Those are both two-stroke. Everything needs fixed. Some are simpler than others, but and right here we got the MLT by Losi, Son of a Digger, Grave Digger by Losi, MLT is the model, and then we got an actual Grave Digger. And then over here we got the Losi Rock Ray, 1/5 scale, and then we got two Traxxas UDR 5th scales. And then I got a Haas 4x4 VXL. I got a wrestler. Got two wrestlers. One's a VXL, one's just 4-wheel drive regular. And then under that I got the Max. And then I got two Bandits, one regular, one VXL. I got E-Revo 2.0. This is probably the simplest. It just needs a spear gear, and it would run. And then I got 5 Bigfoot Stampedes 2-wheel drives right there. Then I got a TRX K5 Blazer. I got a Losi Staten 4x4 right there. Or no, that's Arma. Which they're owned by the same company. And then behind that I got a Traxxas 4x4 electric slash. And then I got two X-Maxes. One of them I parted out and used for parts on this one. There's my X-Max. There's a little 1/24 scale Can-Am. And then I got 4 or 5 Nitros by Traxxas. I got the 2-wheel drive Splash, the 4-wheel drive Splash, a T-Max, what's the other one? Not what it's called, but well, I forgot what it's called, but I got two, and those are Nitro, same two-stroke, just a little different setup. And then I got turn you guys this way. I got a F16 by E-Flight 80mm. Then I got an A10 30mm by E-Flight also right there. And then I got my Pro Boat up there. Horizon's supposed to be sending me a whole new haul for the Pro Boat, and they warranted a bunch of stuff on that. The ESCs, the motors, they messed up and they sent me the first time around ESCs, so I got two, and I told them what do you want to do, and they said I just keep them, but I have nothing to put these in their water. So if someone needs these, let me know. I'll make you a good deal on these. Because unless I build another boat that's smaller, these aren't going to work for me. So, and then as you see at the bottom, we got the Boatman model train G-scale. Still working some kinks out with that. Some of the rails are bent and it's derailing, but it's getting there. We'll go ahead and move you guys. Okay, there you see. I'll go ahead and fire up the unit. A little heater going. Okay, it's not moving. See, I'm having derailment issues with the thing. Gotta talk to Boachman about that. Maybe something. And now it should be good. And of course, the couplers keep coming unhooked too. I got some mineral oil on the way to make the smoke work. Okay. Dang heater cord got in the way. It jumped the track again. Oh, they really don't like backing up. Okay. Now. Gonna what's going on? Gonna oh, and then I also forgot to say I got my 120. Oh, yeah. I got my 124 scale axle little truck that's on there right now, but I'm gonna take some of these. These are probably well due for some maintenance. Boatman wants like $100 for the oil for this damn thing. So, see if I can. Derailed again. see it keep jumping the track there, so. Unhook this. And if you guys are new to these trains, this is where your sound's coming from. This is what powers the unit. Takes a 9-volt battery, and that last car right there also takes a 9-volt battery to run some lights. But this has a speaker in it. And I've seen some guys modify them to have some more realistic sounds. I might do that. And here's the locomotive right there. Dang. I know right there is probably see that front, that steering wheel's jumping. So I'm just gonna see about taking that completely off and see how it does. Maybe that's what its issue is. It just, I mean, I don't know. I need some. Well, I mean, the oil conducts the track, or makes the track more conductive. There's a couple little spots, and as I was watching the video from yesterday, I could see that the track was moving, so I gotta nail it down or something. But I'm planning on probably taking this carpet out and putting all fake grass up here. So, but that's the plan.